All right, pool cover installed, and first time we're going to try and winch it in. Let's go. So I think they're all even tension. Got 5 eyelets. So don't need to go up that way. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah? Yeah? It's looking good. There you go. Yes. And hopefully we'll have enough space between the gas struts. We should do. It's really easy. Turn at the right angle. It sort of goes floppy, and like I bought one. And we just pulled it out. It was real easy. You kind of need 2 people, one on either side, really, not due to the weight, but just due to the imbalance of it. But look, the cover stays shut, so, and it's pretty much perfectly cut for the pool. It's fantastic. The instructions were a bit silly because we actually had to cut right along here. It actually went all the way out here, and we had to cut it. It said cut it, trim it to the size of the pool, and then in a later instruction, which was in, I don't know, the care and maintenance section or something, it actually said, no, you're supposed to leave like a little cutout there for the skimmer. You're supposed to like leave a flappy thing so that you can like hose all of your leaves off the thing into the skimmer, but we're never going to do that anyway. So yeah, there you go. So that should be thermally a very efficient cover. So, and it's nice that we can leave the pool cut, like the cover, flappy cover down while it's in use. So that thermally, this should be excellent. So I've heard, I don't know, leave it in the comments down below, that you can actually like your pool can stay, you can heat it up and it can stay heated for like a couple of days if you got the cover on. So anyway, that's the plan. So you shouldn't have to heat it every day. Anyway, worked a treat. Catch you next time.